These are currently the best codes on Forsaken and how to redeem them. So, I'm going to teach you how to redeem them and also going to show you what the codes are. First, let's look for the codes. So, when you tap on it, you have a little description, and on some games, they like to put the codes in their description. But if you don't see any here, then of course you don't have to worry because we have another way. Just go to any browser. I could use Safari or Google, but basically just search for the name of the game. For example, Forsaken and then Roblox, and at the end we're gonna want to search for codes. So now we're looking for the codes of Forsaken on Roblox. So you will see a bunch of links showing us the different kinds of codes for these games. Basically, just choose one of them because they are practically the same, all of them. So just simply scroll down until you find the code section. It says all Forsaken codes lists. So here you will see every single code in that specific game. But as of now, as you can see, it says there are no active Forsaken codes right now. So basically, what this means is that they don't really have the codes system so that you can claim them. Basically, what you're going to want to do is just wait until they push out that update because they don't have any codes right now for you to redeem, and there's actually no way to redeem any kind of code. So, yeah, unfortunately, there are no codes yet, but who knows, there might be some in the future, and you could use this method by searching it online and then typing codes at the end to find what those codes are. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.